You know what? The internet make discipline look like exciting. The people who wake him at 4 a.m. smiling and running in the rain. But real discipline is so boring. For example, I made a promise to read the Law of Irrationality every single day, no matter what happened. If I'm tired, if I'm busy, or if I have a bad day, I still open the book. I don't always want to read it. Someday I hate it. But discipline me doing what you need to do, even when you do not want to. Like successful people get try and lazy do. The only difference, they just start anyway. It is completely okay to feel lazy. Everyone does. But do not let your feeling make your choice for you. Stop waiting for a perfect day. Pick one small habit, like reading a book. Do it every day, no matter what. Follow her more real advice.